Okay, start of batch 3
Last
questions.
batch.
Grace Gina of Los Angeles.
Hi, Grace of LA.
What's the latest on Kim Emerald?
Kim Emerald, they are taping kung tayo magkakalayo right this very minute. And then tomorrow evening, they will leave for America for the Heartthrobs Tour together with Piolo Pascual, Sam Milby, Pope Wang, Kim and Gerald, and John Lloyd Cruz ata. I hope tama ako. They'll be touring 5 cities there. So if you're in one of those cities or malapit ka, you will see them there in America.
Wow. From Blue Bianca and Sam, after Tanging Yaman, may another project po ba ang Cherries?
Enchong and Erich. Hi, Blue Bianca and Sam. Enchong has a project na solo. Malapit na yon. And then, si Erich naman is filming her independent docu-film with my alaga, Coco Martin, right now. Abangan nyo rin kasi napakagandang pelikula. Alam ko, may pelikula sila under Star Cinema na magkakasama silang dalawa. But for a TV project, hindi pa ako sure kung meron, but I think ginagawan ata ng proyekto together. So abangan lang natin.
Last question, Mother.
Last question na.
Si Amy pa rin of Cherries.
Amy of Cherries, hello.
Sino po sa tingin nyo ang pinakamabait na young star na na-meet nyo sa ABS?
Well, ang pinakamabait na young guest stars in ABS na na-meet ko ay si Zijan Haranilla, who is Sandino, and Zyril, who is Agua Bendita. Kasi si youngest di ba? Pero sa young stars, again, sana next, specific young stars na boy, young stars na girl. Di ba? Para malaman ko. But as far as I'm concerned, ako, Mother Babes, at lahat kami dito sa Mother Babes, mahal namin lahat ng kapamilya stars, whether they are children, teenagers, young adults, or medyo adult na hanggang senior citizen. Kasi ganun sa Mother Babes, it's always love, 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 and peace, peace, peace.
Family.
And family. Like ito, yung cameraman natin, aagawin ko to. Diba? That's our cam girl, Ivan. Ivan, say hello.
Hello.
Greet mo naman lahat ng Mother Babes fans. Okay, and this is Rocky.
Hello!
Ayan. Wala lang si Kenneth and
EJ.
EJ kasi may work sa loob ng office, but they're also part of the family. Mother Babes is a huge family. Kasama kayo doon. So, yun. Salamat and hope to see you again in our next video vlog.
Bye.
Bye!
Bye!